What's going on YouTube? Moises Foz Power Washing. So, in today's video, real quick, it's not going to be too long, we're going to talk about this general pump, 24 inch, 20 inch, I think it's a 24 inch, don't quote me on it, but we're going to talk about this surface cleaner, and I just got done troubleshooting it. We got done troubleshooting it, me and Esteban. And real quick, if y'all are having issues with a whole bunch of wobbliness going around, like it's fucking like it's just doing like that, this is what you need to check out. So if you're having the water is going through your tips and you just constantly see it spraying out, that's gonna be the trigger right here. That's most likely what's gonna be wrong with it. If you're having no pressure at all, or really if the trigger's malfunctioning, I've had issues with it where you gotta hold it real tight and it's not clicking at all, like it's not getting stuck like that, or clicking, most likely your trigger. But other than that, if you're having a whole bunch of like frisbee-like wobbliness, what you have to do is check out this discharge hole. I think you can see it right there. This hole right here. And sometimes it gets clogged. So that was the issue for us. We actually stopped from a job that we were doing. And I tore it all apart right here. You can check out this other one that we have. I had a spare. And this one's actually already all the way effed. Like it's bad. And you can usually tell if you haven't used it in a while. Like, can you hear that? And that's honestly being caused by you not rinsing out your chemical whenever you have it on your hose and not flushing it out. Because I remember doing that with that one. You flush out whatever you have in your hose. Once you're going to rinse, say you downstream your solution on the concrete, rinse it out before it gets into your hose of the surface cleaner. It's going to definitely help out in the long run. You're not going to get these rotted out. Where's that other one? That bar. Oh, that's the... Oh, I think I threw it away. But you won't have stuff like this where it's just like it's getting rotted out because of your solution. And these go out, so you could kind of tell, and it gets hard to turn. I know it's supposed to go this way because it spins, and it's just hard to turn. So if you're having issues with it, it's real simple. Get yourself a little pick from your handy dandy toolbox and pick out this hole, and this is pretty much a discharge from any debris that gets brought up, that just passes through your filter, and I can guarantee you it's that, because I switched out the trigger and I had a dirty filter and I didn't change it at all. So that was the issue. So let's go ahead and just wrap it up so we get back to our job. So real quick tips to help you out, especially if you're out on the field. You don't gotta break down what you're doing, reschedule jobs, go back to the shop. Just check that out pretty much. It's a weep hole, it's a discharge hole, and we're back up and running. So, hope you found some insight, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.